Hey, capybara. Hey, Kiwi. Would you like to pick vegetables with me? Yes, of course I do.
What's that?
Good gosh, there's a horrible monster in it.
Monster.
That's not a monster, Kiwi. It's just a snail. Oh, I see. Where is he gone? He's hiding from his home.
Is that where he lives?
Yes, it's his house. Look, he's coming out again.
Hello, Mr. Snail.
Hello, Mr. Snail. Grandpa, does Mr. Snail have a bed in his house?
Oh, no, Peppa.
If I were a snail, I could have my own bedroom.
And a table, and a chair, and a fridge, and a
Television. Capybara, what does snails eat? Well,
Mostly they eat my vegetables. Oi, stop that, you cheeky rascal.
I want to be a snail with my friends.
snails.
These baskets can be your shells. There, now you look like two cheeky snails.
And I'm going to eat
I'm gonna eat the lettuce.
Pig's lettuce.
Oi, keep off my lovely lettuce, you cheeky snail.
I know. I could hide to my little house. What could possibly come?
All of Peppa's friends are here.
Hello, Grandpa Pig.
Hello, Susie.
Have we come to play Kiwi Bun and my friends?
And George.
Yes.
I don't know where they are. It's just me and these two snails here.
We are cheeky snails.
Back off.
Cheeky snails.
Surprise! I want to play some cheeky snails.
Can we be snails too?
I don't think I have enough baskets for you all.
Baskets for you all. You could be something else, though. Something exciting from the garden. Come over here.
What's that buzzing sound? It's coming from that little house.
Ooh! A bee house.
Making a funny buzzing noise.
That's not a doll's house.
Kiwi.
It's a bee's house. It's called a hive. Look, here's one now.
What's she doing?
She's collecting
That-
the flower,
I don't get it.
and then she flies back to the hive to make it into honey.
I like honey.
Let's pretend to be bees. Bzz, bzz, bzz.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. Yes, let's be bees. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Bzz.
My, what busy bees.
Yes, we're busy bees. Now we must fly back to our
Bzz,
hive
bzz.
to make honey.
Buzz.
Goodness me, what do we have here?
Granny, we're busy bees. Buzz.
Ah, would you busy bees like some toast?
Honey.
And what would you like on your toast?
Honey.
That's lucky, because that's what I made. Toast and honey.
Hooray.
I like being a bee because they eat lots of lovely honey.
I like being a snail.
Because they eat all Grandpa's lettuce.
Hey, oh.
You cheeky rascal.